Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Girly Bits Hot Chicken Summer and KADS025 Stampin' Plate. I have already got on my nails here the Baby Girl Lacquer Glitter Be Gone, and this is Girly Bits Hot Chicken Summer. It's so cool. It's a beautiful orange with pink little glitters in it, and it's so fun. It's just one of those really fun combinations. I'm really digging this one. It does remind me of Hot Chicken Summer, whatever that means. Alright, here we go. Gotta get a visit from the cleanup brush. I'm trying to get used to this new one. Well, it's not new. I've had it for a long time. But I'm trying to break myself from my mainstay cleanup brush because it's no longer available and mine ain't gonna last forever. So here we go with our second coat of Hot Chicken Summer. There we go. And while I'm painting, you guys will be able to see everything flash up on the screen, what I'm doing, what I'm using. I just want to real quick, I don't know when this video is going to post, but I want y'all to know that my energy level is not up there right yet from being sick, and so if I don't sound like me, I'm trying to be there. I do feel 100% better. My energy level's just not right yet. I'm not quite fixed. So, but I do feel a lot better. I'm able to eat and drink, get out of bed. So, there's my swatch photo. Shazam! Here is KADS025. And, we're just gonna stamp some of them images over here on the black by Bases Loaded Lacquer. Got out a Conad stamper and a Maniology scraper today. So here we go. Now I'm going to use like different images on the nails because, you know, so little time, so many manicures, so many stamping plates and polishes. So I'm just going to go all out and do like kind of like a skittle with the stamping. Now this image I'm putting on my thumb, and you guys, it was like my favorite. I was like, what? How cool is that? That looks so pretty. Love this. I love it. Adorable. So I'm cleaning my stamper off on a lint roller, and I'm not going to clean the plate until I have to. Since I'm doing different images. Unless I accidentally smear over an image I want to use, I'm just going to keep on plucking along until I'm done, and then I'll clean it all at once. So here we go. Roll it, pick it up. Use a little piece of tape to get up anything that you don't want. And then stamp it on. And these I'm kind of rolling on, which is not my norm, but it's fine. It works sometimes. And I did this manicure way before I got sick, and it was all prepped and ready for my voiceover, but, you know, I ended up spending like 4 days in bed, barely struggling through it, and, I'm not wanting anybody to feel sorry for me or, you know, oh, Tina, I hope you feel better. And by the time y'all see this, I'm going to be, like, so over this. It'll be, like, a distant memory. But, you know, and I appreciate you guys caring and being concerned for my well-being and all. But I just, you know, I just don't want y'all to think, you know, hear my voice on this video and think, oh, no, what's wrong with Tina? By the time y'all see this, it'll be way on down the road. I've got videos like that have been done, stocked, stamped, uploaded. I just haven't posted them, so they'll come before this one. So they're gonna tell them when you'll see this. But I do want to throw out there that anybody that's been sick with the flu or the COVIDs or whatever, you know, bless your heart. Seriously, it's horrible. I mean, you can't enjoy anything. So, just know that you're not the only one. Everybody's able to get stuff like this. Whether you've had shots or not, you can still get sick. And I'm not for sure what I had. I don't know what it was. I didn't go to the doctor because I knew they weren't going to do anything for me. I just self-medicated and vitamined up and lots of rest. Well, I was forced to do that. I didn't have the energy to hardly do anything. Ooh, look at that. So I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat. We're going to get these to dry down, and then I'm going to put my final top coat on. Isn't that just gorgeous? I mean, love it. Love this. Hi, Woody. How you doing? He's a good helper. Oh, I bumped it. So, alright, there we go. Here it is. And I don't know what's going on there. Oh, I wanted to show you kind of like moving it around. And I'm going to, well, I already did it. I already topped it with Seche Vite for this photo. And here's all the products that I used. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.